After months of waiting, Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine is continuing to be given to people across the country, starting with healthcare workers and residents of long-term care facilities. While those outside of that first group won't be vaccinated for weeks or even months, it's still understandable for every person who will be eligible to get the vaccine to have questions about it, specifically surrounding the ingredients that constitute it. Since the Pfizer vaccine was officially approved by the US Food and Drug Administration for emergency use on December 11th of 2020, the ingredients of that vaccine have become available for the public to view online. Today, we will explain what you may need to and want to know. The Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine is made using a newer technology called messenger RNA. An mRNA vaccine works by encoding a protein of the spike protein found on the surface of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. These mRNA vaccines use pieces of the encoded protein to create an immune response in your body, which then develops antibodies, the proteins made by your immune system to fight infections like viruses and help fend off future illnesses by those same infections. After the vaccine prompts an immune response, your body will eliminate the protein and the mRNA. However, the antibodies will stay put. It's just not known at this point how long they'll last. When the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine received an EUA from the FDA, its ingredients list was published online in a fact sheet for vaccine recipients and caregivers. This is a full list of ingredients according to the FDA: mRNA, lipids, potassium chloride, monobasic potassium phosphate, sodium chloride, D-basic sodium phosphate dehydrate, and sucrose. The new vaccine, delivered as a shot in the arm muscle, contains an RNA sequence taken from the virus itself. It causes cells to manufacture the big spike protein of the coronavirus, which the pathogen uses to glom onto a person's cells and gain entry. On its own, without the rest of the virus, the spike is pretty harmless, but your body still reacts to it. This is what leaves you immunized and ready to repel the virus if it turns up. The lipids, which are fats, are very important because they form a little spherical shell around the mRNA. The lipids are how the vaccine is delivered to your body and to your cells. Lipids help keep the mRNA intact and stable until it gets into your body and starts doing its work. After that, they dissolve and are removed by your body. Because of that, lipids are unique to this type of vaccine. The adjuvants, potassium chloride, monobasic potassium phosphate, sodium chloride, and dibasic sodium phosphate dehydrate, are used to maintain the pH and stability of the vaccine. And the sucrose, which is a form of sugar, is usually used as a stabilizer to preserve the vaccine potency and efficiency. According to Dr. William Schaffner, an infectious disease specialist and professor at the Vanderbilt University School of Medicine, there's nothing on this ingredients list that is shocking, and these FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccines for emergency or public use are safe to use. We hope you stay safe in the meantime. Thank you.